Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematic Exchange. This is part 6 of polynomial. Today we see division algorithm for polynomials. This is the last topic of this lesson. Now we already know about division algorithm. So if p of x and g of x are any two polynomial, suppose we consider the two polynomials, that is p of x and g of x. Obviously for division we have to consider these two polynomial because one of them is dividend and one of them is divisor. So if p of x and g of x are any two polynomial with g of x not equal to 0, g of x can never be 0, then we can find polynomials q of x and r of x such that p of x is equal to q of x into g of x plus r of x. So this is the division algorithm for polynomial where r of x is equal to 0 or degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. So the above result is known as the division algorithm. That is the formula that we have derived from dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So this is the basic formula. You already know about this, but in this lesson, in case of quotient and dividend, we have to consider for division of polynomials. So obviously your divisor and dividend are in the terms of polynomial, and hence we have to consider divisor and dividend as a polynomial which are having in terms of x or any other variable, and then we have the quotient and remainder also may be in terms of the polynomial. So this is the basic formula, division algorithm. So p of x and g of x are any two polynomial with g of x not equal to 0, then we can find another polynomial q of x and r of x such that p of x is equal to q of x into g of x plus r of x. So g of x is the divisor, p of x is the dividend, q of x is the quotient and r of x is the remainder. So this is the condition that r of x can be a 0, that is remainder can be a 0, or if the remainder is not 0, then the degree of remainder, that is r of x, is less than the degree of g of x. So this algorithm is very much useful for division of the polynomials. So based on this, we see one division of polynomial. So 3x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 8x minus 1 by x minus 2. So this is the given polynomial 3x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 8x minus 1, and we have to divide this polynomial by another polynomial, that is x minus 2. So we see how to divide the polynomial. So just like a simple division, we have to divide for the polynomial. So 3x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 8x minus 1 is the dividend and x minus 2 is the divisor. Now what we have to do here, we have to find out the quotient by which x minus 2 will divide 3x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 8x minus 1. While finding out the first term, we have to divide 3x to the power 4 on x. So we have to divide the first term of the dividend polynomial by the first term of the divisor polynomial. So here the first term is 3x to the power 4, we divide 3x to the power 4 by x. So this x and x from the numerator get cancelled, so we get 3x cube. So 3x cube is your first quotient, and then the next step is multiply by the 3x cube to the whole divisor. So 3x cube into x, the first term is 3x to the power 4. Whenever we multiply with the first term of the quotient with the first term of the divisor, then we must get the first term of the dividend polynomial. Then multiply with the second term of the divisor polynomial with the quotient. So minus 2 into 3x cube is minus 6x cube. So minus 6x cube. Now change the sign, minus is become plus. Now obviously this 3x to the power 4 and minus 3x to the power 4 get cancelled over here. Now in the given dividend polynomial we don't have x cube term. So obviously this minus 6x cube will not get subtracted with any other term, but due to the change of sign it is 6x cube. Now write down all the other remaining terms as it is, that is minus 4x square plus 8x minus 1. Since after multiplication of the divisor polynomial with the quotient we get only two terms, so remember that only change the sign of the new terms. So we have changed the sign of 3x to the power 4 and minus 6x cube, and all the other terms leave as it is. So this is the next required polynomial. So in the second step, divide the first term with the first term of divisor. So 6x cube upon x. Again the numerator x and denominator x get cancelled, so we get 6x square. So this 6x square is the quotient term, write down in the quotient. Now again multiply the 6x square with the whole divisor term. So 6x square into x, we get 6x cube, plus 6x square into minus 2 is minus 2 6 minus 12x square. This is minus, this become plus. So 6x cube minus 6x cube get cancelled, and minus 4x square plus 12x square we get 8x square, that is minus plus minus, and 12 minus 4 is 8, bigger number sign is plus, x square, plus all the remaining term comes down, plus 8x minus 1. In every step we have to follow the same procedure. So in the next step, divide 8x square by x. So x and x get cancelled, we get 8x. So 8x, now multiply 8x with x minus 2, 8x square minus 16x. Change the sign, this is minus, this is plus. You can make also like circle like this, so that we can concentrate on the change sign. So this plus 8x square minus 8x square cancel, plus 8x plus 16x, that is 24x minus 1 comes down. Again at the fourth step, divide 24x by x. So we get x cancel, that is 24. Now in the quotient we have to give the division of 24 here. So 24 into x, 24x, plus 24 into minus 2, that is 24 to the 48, plus minus minus. Change the sign, minus plus 24x minus 24x cancel over here, and minus 1 plus 48, that is 47. So this is our remainder, and the quotient is 3x cube plus 6x square plus 8x plus 24. This completes our division process. Here we write down quotient is equal to 3x cube plus 6x square plus 8x plus 24, and the remainder is 47. we can write down also this in the algorithm form. Sometimes you will ask to write down in algorithm form. So we know the algorithm, that is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So this is the algorithm. So dividend in this case is 3x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 8x minus 1 is equal to quotient is 3x cube plus 6x square plus 8x plus 24 multiply with divisor is x minus 2 plus remainder is 47. So when we solve on the right hand side, after solving this right hand side value, we get left hand side, that is our dividend. So this is the division algorithm for polynomial. This is all about of division algorithm for polynomial. Thank you for watching.